Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very quick and delicious chicken starter recipe for any parties, which is baked chicken wings, which will be very flavorful, juicy from inside and crisp from outside. So let's start the recipe. So for this recipe, I have taken 6 chicken wings and then I have separated the winglets and the drumettes by cutting them in this portion. And from 6 chicken wings you will get 6 drumettes and 6 winglets. And now we will quickly prepare a seasoning mix to coat the chicken wings. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 cup of refined flour. Then goes 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Then goes 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and finally some paprika powder. This is sweet paprika. If you want, you can add smoked paprika also, adding around 1 teaspoon of it. Now mix all the ingredients well, and our seasoning mix to coat the wings is ready. And now one by one we will coat all the chicken wings with the seasoning mix really well from all the sides. Check off the excess. Next, take an oven safe tray or plate which has been lined by a baking paper. Drizzle few drops of olive oil and brush well on all these sides. Now place the coated chicken wings one by one. And now we will bake this in a preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. But remember to flip them once after 20 minutes so that they turn crisp and golden brown from both the sides. And after 45 minutes, our chicken wings are baked golden brown from both these sides and are crisp from outside. And now, in order to give a spicy twist to our crispy baked chicken wings, we'll prepare a spicy sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 cup of hot sauce. I've added here 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 4 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, but you can add any other hot sauce of your choice. Next goes 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce and 1 teaspoon of honey to balance the taste. Now mix all the ingredients well and our spicy sauce is ready. And into this sauce we will add the crispy baked chicken wings and coat them with the spicy sauce well from all the sides. And after coating the wings with the spicy sauce, we will again arrange them in the baking tray or plate. And bake them further for just 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And after 8 minutes, our crispy baked spicy chicken wings is now ready to be enjoyed hot. And here goes our oven baked chicken wings, which is juicy from inside and spicy and crispy from outside. That makes it a yummy recipe, which I am sure you're going to love it. Also, it's a delicious, healthy, as it's oil free, and easy chicken starter recipe, good for any parties. So I hope you will try this amazing chicken wings recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.